This is Nissan Altima. I'm going to program all keys lost using Autel Km100. So this Autel Km100, I'm going to use it. 2022 Nissan Altima. Let's see how to do this. Go to the Nissan. And manual selected. Middle East Altima 2122. Yes, hot function. Has that on? Open the door and close. And okay. Smart key learning. Start. So it's going to erase all the keys you have it, and you have to reprogram it again. So put the first key and switch ignition on. Keep it pressed until the switch ignition is on. Press OK. Switch ignition off. Program success. One more key. Put yes. If no, put no. And again switch ignition. Press the key until the switch ignition is going to be on. And press OK. Switch ignition off. Program success. You want more keys? Yes. If no, say no. Now put the first key to the ignition until the ignition is going to on again. And press OK. Switch ignition off and wait for 3 seconds. Press OK. Program is complete. That's it. Success. Now put the each key to the smart push start. You can see the security light will be flashing here. Each one, all the keys you have to put it like that. That's it. This is still not giving the program is completed, so just wait for few seconds. It will be right here the program complete, then you can check the key. So now it's giving the security light for the first key. Okay. It's fine now. It's still not giving me here the key program is test is complete, that's why it's not working still. Just wait. Yeah, now it's giving completed. So now you can start the car and check the each remote. It's working fine. All the remotes is working. Thank you guys. This Altima 2022 I did the all smart key is lost. Thank you.